Hello everyone, today I'll guide you through a quick tutorial on changing the server's name on Discord. Whether you want to refresh the server's identity or align it with a new purpose, it's a straightforward process, so let's dive right in. Atop of your Discord interface, locate the server's name. Click on the server name and a menu will appear. Select Server Settings from this menu. Once in Server Settings, look for the server name field. This is where you can make the changes to reflect your desired server name. Simply click on the existing server name and it will become editable. Type in the new name you want for your server. In this example, we change it to this. After editing the server name, click the Save Changes button to ensure your modification take effect. To complete the process, click on the X button or any relevant option to exit the server settings. Your server name is now updated. And there you have it! Changing the server name on Discord is as simple as that. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, give it a thumbs up, and stay tuned for more Discord tips and tricks. Until next time, bye bye!